Well, let's now get you the latest on the vaccination drive against coronavirus. Over 17,000 people were vaccinated across 553 sites in 6 states on day 2 of India's vaccination drive. That's yesterday. The Health Ministry has said that 447 adverse events have been reported so far, and the government has also now released a schedule for vaccination for all the states. All major states will vaccinate on 4 days of every week, while smaller states like Goa will vaccinate on 2 days of every week. Now, if we talk about the adverse effects, the Delhi government has said that there have been 51 cases of minor complications reported from coronavirus vaccine that was rolled out. In Delhi, 4,319 healthcare workers vaccinated on the first day, among which one slightly serious case was reported. The patient was admitted to AIIMS and is stable now. A 22-year-old security guard who works at the hospital, he was admitted in the hospital's intensive care unit. Well, let's go across to Sukirti for more. So, Sukirti, first and foremost, the adverse events are also being talked about by the ministry. They're saying none of them were very serious, except the Delhi one did have the person being admitted to ICU in AIIMS, also a schedule for all states.
Well, yes. So as far as the adverse events front is concerned, there was a health ministry press conference last evening where they gave the overall picture as well, where they said that out of the 2.24 lakh people that have been vaccinated in India so far, there have been 447 cases of adverse events, out of which there have been only 3 hospitalizations. Out of those 3, one is the security guard in AIIMS. The other one was a person at the railway hospital in Delhi. Both of these people have been discharged, both these cases in Delhi. There's another third hospitalization which took place in AIIMS Rishikesh. That person is still under observation. Until last evening, that was the update. So only 3 hospitalizations, total of 447 adverse events so far. That's the updates from the health ministry. As far as the schedule is concerned, the ministry yesterday declared that all the states were requested that the vaccinations should be conducted on any 4 days of the week so that the routine health services are not affected. And states have chosen those 4 days based on whatever suits them. Most of the major states will be carrying it out on 4 days of the week. Some smaller states like Goa will carry it on only 2 days of the week because they have much lesser number of people to vaccinate. UP is the only exception that has decided to conduct vaccinations on only 2 days of the week. They have a much larger target of vaccine beneficiaries, but unclear at this point why they have chosen only 2 days.
All right, Sukirti, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So only 64% of the vaccination target was achieved on day 1, but the government expects the numbers will improve going into this week. And as Sukirti was saying, 447 adverse events have been reported so far. Here's a report.
Only 64% of the vaccination target achieved on day 1, but the government expects the numbers will improve next week and claims it was the highest Day 1 vaccinations in the world.
Highest Day 1 vaccination number in the world. मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि ये संख्या किसी भी एक दिन में किसी भी देश में सर्वाधिक है. Higher than USA, UK and France on day 1.
Among major states, Maharashtra had a target of vaccinating 28,000 people on the first day, but about 18,000 people received the vaccine. Andhra Pradesh had a target of vaccinating over 33,000 healthcare workers, but vaccinated over 18,000 of them. In UP, around 21,000 healthcare workers were vaccinated against a target of 37,000.
Reaching 62% is a really good turnout according to me.
We took a decision that we will do only 30 as a first day at each of the 140 locations. If the doctors at senior level, if they take the vaccine and they give a statement or it is just put to knowledge of people, I think that builds a lot of confidence.
Delhi had planned to vaccinate 8,117 people, but the actual vaccinations were 4,319, out of which there were 51 cases of minor adverse events or side effects and 1 severe adverse event. A 22-year-old security guard of AIIMS who had to be hospitalized but is stable now.
लास्ट मोमेंट के ऊपर वो टर्न अप नहीं हुए. जो वैक्सीनेशन है प्योरली वॉलंटरी है, कंपलसरी नहीं है, तो जो लगवाने वाला है उसकी पूरी छूट है कि वो लगवाए या ना लगवाए.
But what are adverse events An adverse event following immunization or AEFI is any untoward medical occurrence which follows immunization and which does not necessarily have a causal relationship with the usage of the vaccine. The adverse event may be any unfavorable or unintended disease or symptom. These are categorized as minor, severe or serious. The Congress today targeted the government over the cost of the vaccine.
Will the members of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, backward classes, below poverty line, above poverty line, poor and underprivileged get free corona vaccine or not? And the Belgium minister, on the other hand, said that the AstraZeneca vaccine is costing them euro 1.78 or 158 rupees. So question is, why is Modi government then paying rupees 200 for the AstraZeneca vaccine when they themselves are saying that they are supplying it at no profit?
Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan had earlier said that the vaccines will be free for the first 1 crore healthcare workers and 2 crore frontline workers. The modalities of the cost of the vaccine for the general public are still being worked out. In New Delhi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.